Welcome back. Hey everybody, welcome to the Best Flocking Tech Show.
Welcome to the Best Flocking Tech Show.
Welcome to the Best Flocking Tech Show. Hey everybody, welcome to this very special episode of the Best Flocking Tech Show. Today we're doing our first episode of Tech versus Tech. In one hand I have the Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G, in the other, the Pro Max iPhone. Welcome back to this very special episode of Best Flocking Tech Show. I am Flock. I'm Flock for the Best Flocking Tech Show. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Best Flocking Tech Show. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started on this iPad repair. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Best Flocking Tech Show. I am Flock, this is my tech show. Alright everybody, as promised, we're gonna go ahead and get started on this LG TV repair. We're gonna do an LED replacement. We're gonna do it step by step. I am Flock, this is my tech show. Today we're gonna do a quick 7 questions to just get you introduced to me and what I used to do before YouTube on the Best Flocking Tech Show. I am Flock, this is my tech show. I am Flock, and this is my tech show. Over the past 3 months, my browser's blocked 146,000 ads. I'm Flock, this is just the tip. I am Flock, this is my tech show. Today I'm joined with Josiah, aka Mr. Therapy. He is our executive producer and cameraman. And producer. Did I mention he's also Mr. Therapy? Anyway, we're here for our second YouTube update.
Got a lot to talk about.
We're here just to talk real quick about broken iPads and theoretically how to save hundreds of dollars repairing it yourself. We bought a $25 digitizer. It came with the tools. What more did you ask for? Alright guys, we officially have a working... What do you want?
That was super loud.
Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. You know, I bet the idea of blocking ads gets you just as excited as me.
What made you decide to want to be a YouTube creator?
I just saw all those guys doing all this awesome stuff, and over these few years I just fell in love with the concept of being a creator. And once I met Josiah and saw his portfolio of back videos, I mean, I finally felt comfortable, and I finally felt like I had enough of a push to go in the direction of being a creator.